Welcome to the Specialty Coffee Association. Here's our overview for Sensory Skills Foundation. Now, within this course, we're going to look at some of the different resources that are here, the tools and ways to put those exercises and activities together, what to expect from the handbook and course description, as well as a referral program, which is really exciting. So, first off, if you're a little bit nervous to jump into sensory, or if you're taking this course because you're nervous with cupping, I just want to say right in the forefront, before it all begins, try not to worry. And the more you worry, the more stress and anxiety that you have, actually the more difficult it is to perform the sensory test. I remember being a little bit nervous when I had the L'année du Café and I had to smell the aroma vials. When I was cupping and triangulating, I would constantly be running this script in the back of my mind like, I'm not good at sensory, or I'm afraid I'm going to make the wrong decision. Just, you gotta try to silence that noise. And so as we jump into sensory skills, have fun, put up these practices, just do something every day just to give yourself confidence, and you will gain great experience as you practice sensory every day. Not just in cupping, not just in coffee, but in your daily life. So here's the overview and resources. From the SCA handbook, taking this course, you will be provided with, sorry, that's not from the handbook, that's from my explanation, but you'll be provided with resources, tools, and some of the self-guided learning activities here in this course. From the SCA handbook, the Sensory Skills Foundation course explores the essentials of sensory evaluation. So in practical and interactive manners and activities, it investigates the way we perceive what we taste and how to apply this knowledge when evaluating coffee's natural characteristics. This course also offers insights into identifying specialty coffee qualities, how we use that cupping form, and an overview how to implement those qualities into our business. So this is a very practical thing as it moves into your green coffee purchasing decisions, how you improve or monitor your roast profiles, how you describe your product, how you market it to wholesale or consuming customers. So there's lots of ways that this course is just a pivotal kind of fulcrum on that roaster side and on that cafe side. So in this course, we'll explore some of the definitions and understanding sensory analysis. As we put knowledge and language to what we're experiencing, it really helps us. Why sensory analysis is important for specialty coffee, physiology, the human body, and sensory attributes as they play in coffee, basic taste as they relate to human anatomy, basic coffee aromas and activities to explore, the taste of coffee, body of coffee, aromas in coffee, communication and language used in coffee sensory circles. It's important to kind of get on board with that professional speak. Understanding and using the SCA flavor wheel, other flavor wheels, defining and understanding coffee cupping, performing coffee cupping, core cupping protocols and methodology, the equipment, the cupping room, sensory skills and practical exams, the activities that are used here, as well as a mock exam to help you prepare to pass your SCA certification online. So there will be various follow-up steps and ways to do that within the course. Now, there are digital course resources here that are linked. You can download those, save those, use those, share them with your team, and as always, bookmark the resources at rock.coffee. All the foundation, intermediate, and professional modules are explained, and the resources are provided there at my website. So I really look forward to helping you out and helping you to level up through these activities and through this learning. So the course activities for this course, they very much model themselves after the even larger set of activities that are in the Introduction to Coffee course. So either this course pack or the Introduction to Coffee course pack will help you get these activities accomplished for the course. Besides some of the candies and aromas and smells, you'll be able to do a specialty coffee versus commercial grade coffee cupping, species Arabica versus Robusta sensory cupping, and then there's other taste and mouthfeel tactile sensory experiences that are demonstrated. You can access and source these ingredients, these coffees locally if you can, And if not, you can go ahead and check out the Rock Coffee Lab, where I've put together a sensory foundation training kit for you and anyone else. You definitely want to invest in some basic cupping supplies and begin to build your own little space and rhythm for cupping if you're doing this at home. If you're at a lab or a cafe, then you probably have a good set of resources to fulfill some of the cuppings that are involved here. If you have any questions, reach out at any time, and I really look forward to helping you out in this course. Now, finally, there is a referral program that's been built into the How to Coffee Pro platform at Teachable. So if you've purchased this course and you'd like to introduce it to a friend, or just introduce all of the programs to a friend, you can share this link and they can get 20% off their first course, which is a beautiful gift to them. And when you give them that coupon discount of 20%, when they purchase their course using that, you will be given a 20% coupon as well off of your next course. So let's say you're taking sensory and then you're looking forward to adding on maybe green coffee or the barista skills. As you look to build in more courses to your certification and learning, that coupon code can be used off your next purchase for 20%, just like your friend enjoyed 20%. It's really great to have you as part of this program, and I look forward to sharing more with you. Let's jump into the coursework without further delay.